Hello everyone, this is Leah, and today is the Ugly Duckling Challenge. Stick around to see how I transformed my ugly ducklings. Today's video is part of a challenge hosted by Cory of Desert DIY, and it's co-hosted by Heidi of HEIDI SONBOUL DIY. If you're not familiar with these ladies, check out the links to their channels in the descriptions, and I'll also be leaving a link for the Ugly Duckling Challenge there as well. So after this video, go check that out. Here are my ugly ducklings that I found in the attic. My mom had bought these thrifted many eons ago, and they were destined to go to the thrift store or be upcycled. So I decided to try and see what I could do with them. I'm just using some apple barrel acrylic paint in white and a foam brush, and just really going to town on that bamboo or wicker or whatever that is that they're made of. I'm not sure, but I'll tell you that painting these were like painting a super dry sponge. No, a petrified sponge. That would be a better way of describing it. The wooden heads weren't so bad. The center part of the body wasn't bad, but where they were cut was tearing my brush all to pieces. So I had to do a lot of dabbing on those areas. I did 2 coats on the heads. The bodies stayed the way they were. And then I needed something to tie around their necks. I found this navy blue lace ribbon in my stash and just cut a couple of pieces of those and dovetailed the ends, and there we go. I tied it around their little necks. It still needed a little something else, so I went in with some twine around the front and back half of the body. Just some cheap jute twine and my hot glue gun, and wrapped it around, and that's how they turned out. I think they're going to go great with my Nautical Coastal beach themed decor this year. What do you think? Would you have left them as is? Or do you think they look better painted? For me, painted was the way to go. I'll actually use them now instead of dropping them off in the donation box. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so.